What's up everybody? Kyle here with ePoolSupply today, and today we are going to walk you through what comes in the box on the Pentair Kreepy Krauly suction side pool cleaner. Stay tuned. And we're back. So today we are going to walk you through Pentair's Kreepy Krauly suction side pool cleaner. This one actually is the flat seal model. I know it's got a picture here in the front with the pleated seal, but this model is actually the flat seal, and when we get inside the box I'll show you what that means. First things first, wanted to show you something really awesome about these cleaners. One of the major things they have is they always have these quality seals on a brand new cleaner. So every cleaner that you purchase from us, especially this specific cleaner, will always have a quality seal. Make sure you check it out. Make sure everything's good with it before you open the box, and if there's any issues, please give us a call. So let's open this up. Alright. So first things first, the manual. The manual, very important with these cleaners. It actually walks you through everything that you need to do to set these cleaners up. It walks you through all the stuff that's included with it and how they function and how they work. Very, very important. Make sure you hold on to the manual. It's great just to keep around. It's got some troubleshooting tips in there if you got any issues later down the line, but keep it around. It's really cool. Now included in this as well is your warranty card. You will need the warranty card to fill out the warranty information with Pentair to get the limited warranty that comes with all these cleaners. Certain ones come with longer warranties, so make sure you check out Pentair's site to see exactly how long the warranty is, and then you can use this card to fill it out, or they do have the option to do everything online, so you don't actually have to, fill the card out, mail it in, deal with all that. Another big thing that comes with is some cool safety tips. A lot of the cleaners come with them. Make sure you check them all out. They're really cool, little informative tips. So as I mentioned before, this is the flat seal model. So as you can see, there's no crazy octopus pleated seal going on. This is just a flat, regular blue, aqua blue, kind of a dark blue seal. This is meant for concrete. So this is actually meant to just go on your concrete plaster pool. No crazy pebble tech, nothing. This is just meant for concrete. They like to call this like their builder's model. All right. Get your cool accessory package in here. Go ahead and open this up, walk you guys through. So you got your threaded compression adapter. This will actually thread into the skimmer port of your pool, so then that way you can get that little bit of girth off the bottom of your skimmer. And then it's actually got some threaded teeth in here where you can actually stick the hose in there, and that's how it'll stay nice and tight in your skimmer, so you don't have to worry about that hose wiggling free. So you got your pressure relief valve right here. So again, check out the manual. Manual will walk you through this. It's not necessary for the setup of it, but it does give you a good idea of where you're at with your suction power and how well the cleaner is going to function in your pool. So hold on to this, read the manual, check it out. It also comes included with a little cap as well, so you can cap off one of the sides when you're doing it. So make sure to check out our other videos. We'll walk you through how to do that. All right, next you got your flaps on the side of the cleaner. So this actually will kind of sit on the side of the head of the cleaner. When I take it out, I'll kind of show you where they go, and they actually just kind of help give a little bit of power so that the cleaner doesn't get stuck in corners, helps it kind of brush around and move around in the bottom of your pool. Really, really important. We'll have another video again on how to swap these out and get these, and then make sure you check out the links below. I'll have links of all this stuff so you can purchase it from our site. Alright, and we got the hose weights. So always comes with 2 hose weights. You will need both hose weights. Make sure you check out the manual. The manual will actually walk you through where to place these specifically on the hose. There's a certain distance between them in order for the cleaner to function properly. So again, check out the manual. The manual will walk you through it. That way you guys can get everything set up the way that you should for your specific pool. So they do give you a little eyeball diverter. Just kind of helps for those really hard to reach places that the cleaner is having difficulty getting to, or maybe it gets stuck. If you actually put these into to the wall of your pool, it kind of helps divert that flow, that extra suction when the cleaner's functioning, to help move it along and do what it needs to, as well as move the debris out of the corner to get to the cleaner so the cleaner can do its job. And then you always got this kind of a little little hose sleeve. It's kind of a plastic rubber kind of material. So this will actually go on the hose that plugs in directly to your skimmer with the compression adapter here. So you actually line this, and then that way if it's sitting on your rear door, or if it does have a little bit of a drop over your skimmer, this way the hose itself isn't just rubbing on that. This actually gives it a little bit of extra protection. Very, very stretchy, so it can go over all kinds of sizes of hoses. So cool little thing that they throw in there. Hold on to it. All right, let's get into the cleaner itself. Open all this up. So we got your bumper assembly. It actually comes in its own little separate bag, so you can actually pull that out. This is a really, really important part to help function with the cleaner. Get it out here for you. And voila, we have the whole cleaner. So this will actually come pre-installed with your foot pad on here. As you can see, it's already on the base. It's really easy to kind of take off, put on. Again, make sure you check out the description below for all the links for all these things. A lot of the times these are one of the first things to go, just because it's constantly agitating on the bottom of your floor. So one big way you can tell is if these little ridges actually go down to where they're really almost flat like the rest of the seal is here, and then you know it's time to swap it out. It just helps with the full function of the cleaner. So you actually have a little float here, so the float will just kind of stick out and do its thing as the cleaner's moving around. Just helps give it that direction of pointing up for you, so then that way, you know, it's not constantly falling back, or it's not floating forward or going up to the top. This will actually keep it upright with the suction side, so real important. It does come with 2 drive shafts. Again, make sure you check out the links. We've got these for sale, so you can get these. It does have another weighted holder here at the bottom that's really crucial to the functionality of the cleaner itself. So again, check out all the links below. And a nice little swivel up here, so that when you do connect your hoses up top, you don't have to worry about your hoses getting stuck or tangled, because this actually freely spins along the top, so then that way you don't ever have to worry about that. I'll go ahead and set this down. So the last thing that comes included in the box is your full set of hoses. So I'm gonna grab my knife here. It's down in front of me. So you get a full set of 12. You'll need probably close to 10, but they do give you 12 just so you have them. No specific leader needed. They do have different ends. They do have the male end and the female end, but there's no specific leader. They kind of all work interchangeable. And as you can kind of tell here, they're like a light blue. They don't blend completely to the dark blue of the cleaner, but they are like a light blue. Really, really good quality hoses. You can tell that the manufacturer does not take corners on the hoses. They are very good. Again, check out the links below. We should have plenty of these in stock for you guys to get if you need them. Really popular cleaner for us. So, like I said, you do get 12, so you got more than enough. Make sure you read the user manual. It'll walk you through how many you're going to need for your whole cleaner. So go ahead and pop this back in there. All right. Well, I think that's everything that's included with the Kreepy Krauly. This is model 360040. They do have a couple of different versions of this. They do have the one with the pleated seal, which is a very, very popular seller. And then they do have one with another seal, but I can't remember the model number off the top of my head. Just check out the links below, and we'll make sure we put all that information in there. And if you got any questions, make sure to contact us, ePoolSupply.com. I'm Kyle. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.